Hey, Tej here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for Bitcoin with Elliott Wave Theory. If you want to educate yourself and support me, you can take a look at Patreon, where you can find Elliott Wave Basics course, access to weekly live streams and extra content overall. Thank you for your support. Let's get into the charts next. Starting here on 1 hour time frame, today we've seen this dump. Let's take a look at the Elliott Wave structures that we've had. Overall, the expectation has been that we've had this as a wave A, or wave 1, wave 2 or wave B, and then 3rd, 4th and 5th for the more bullish count, or the C wave ending at here. The reason why I don't really prefer C here is because we have taken out these highs here and we did not get an impulse wave coming downwards to continue the previous trend that we had before this ABC. Also, we have extended beyond the 2.236 for the 3rd wave here, so again we are fitting the 3rd wave a bit better here overall. At the moment, I've still labeled this as the 3rd wave, but again, depending on your structures, you can be labeling it somewhere else. I've seen some people labeling it here, and this as 5th wave. That is of course possible. However, there's some issues that I have here, because again, this would be a 4th of something, but I don't think it can be a wave 4 of this, just due to how large this is. So comparing these two is yeah, a bit out of my, it wouldn't be looking too good in my opinion. But yeah, each to each own. But yeah, let's get moving. Overall, what we had few different options here. We had triangle possibilities here that did not play out. We still had that long upwards, but I did not catch this short. I'm going to be talking about that today as well. As we have taken out these highs here as well, we did not get that expanded flat either that we were talking about, where we had this as an A wave, B wave, and then looking for C wave coming down. Again, the invalidation was at these highs, and we took those out, not only just with a wick, but also with a very well defined structures here. So again, this is definitely out of the question. So what else do we have? I'm looking into the charts, and this is the only thing that I currently see, where we would have some kind of 3 and then ending here, some kind of 3-way structure overall into these lows. Then we would have this as another structure. I don't really like it. I can't really get a 5-way move into here, nor, well, there was a couple of possibilities where this was a 3-way structure on its own as well, which is the only way I can get this B wave fitting here overall. This definitely had that 3-way look on it, and then this definitely has some kind of 3-way look on it as well as a possibility. Not the best look overall, but that is just something that we need to be dealing with. Overall, let's take a look at the expanded B pocket, and we did not hit the 1.618. I can be leaving this here just as a reminder. But yeah, we did not hit the 1.618 retracement of this wave A for that wave B, so we can be still looking at this as an expanded flat overall. Today again we had this dump when S&P 500 started to dump today. Not this much, but again it definitely had confluence for Bitcoin as well. I was looking at this as a potential 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I was looking at pullback. This was the first ladder, 23.6, 38.2 and 0.5 I was going to get in, but again you see that we missed this by, well, let's see, 0.04%. But yeah, that's life. Sometimes you're not going to getting these trades, but yeah, it's kind of annoying. Also, again, this would be just the first ladder into that position, so again it would not have the full position size either. If this turned out to be a leading diagonal and instead it would be a ABC, the expectation would be way lower than what we would have here if we started to put in a full position at the 23.6. Again, stop loss here, and the extension target would be at the 1-to-1, so that would be the first structure. That would be here, 1-to-1 around here, and you can see 1.35 as the risk to reward, so not really that great. So again, that's we are just playing the higher time frame for this being a B wave and this structure coming down as C wave, so that's why I'm not I'm never going to be laddering in full position at 23.6. It's just too small retracement for a full position, in my opinion. But in any case, I think this definitely has the potential of being a 5-way move. 1.618 was not hit here yet, at least, so there is definitely a chance that we're going to coming down still a bit. We do have this divergence here already, so depending on how you want to be labeling this, there is a chance that this could be finishing up soon, this whole impulse wave. If we are wanting to label this as a 3, 4, and 5 already, we do have that divergence. However, again, the extensions are not there. 1.61 is only down below, not really fitting too well either, anything else. But this wave 1 again took quite a long time in comparison to the next structure, and it is still similar size to this structure, so again we can still think of the possibility of this being an ABC coming down and then continuation up somehow correctively like we had here. But still I favor this ABC count for now until further data comes in. Let's take a look at something else that we had here. A couple of different overall ideas. We're almost at the point of control of this whole range, acting as support, and we had a couple of different extension targets, 1.236 of the ABC of this sub-minute count, and the 2.236, which is again the extension targets for this 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Again, 3 was expected to be 1.618. So again, this would be a target if neither third or fifth has extended. What else we have there is a daily and a value area low of this whole range. So again, more confluence into this area for sure. But again, that would be just a potential area of reversal, and if this turns into something else, a 3-way structure or some larger 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we definitely need to be looking at something else. But at this point, I don't think we need to be worrying about that. I'm thinking that this is the most solid level that we have at the moment for the charts, if we again puncture this point of control. But I think that is going to be doing it for this video on Bitcoin. Again, if you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below. And for now, I thank you for watching and hope to see you on the next video. Bye bye.